Coral reefs are an important building block of ocean life. They are home to countless varieties of marine life. Coral reefs are in danger of disappearing forever. In the Caribbean alone, about 80% of corals have been lost. Ocean acidification is one of the main effects on the corals. When carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere, ocean water absorbs about 30% of it. The reaction of carbon dioxide and water form carbonic acid. Carbonic acid creates hydrogen ions, bicarbonate ions, and increases the acidity level of water and decreases pH levels. Coral reefs are unable to reproduce and replace the corals that are lost. Corals need calcium carbonate in order to build their protective shells and exoskeletons. Without it, shells grow slowly and become weak. Coral reefs with breakable, slow-growing corals erode more quickly than they accrete. This ocean acidification negatively affects marine life because it causes organisms, shells, and skeletons made from calcium carbonate to dissolve. The more acidic the ocean is, results in the shells to dissolve faster. Animals that in turn produce calcium carbonate structures have to spend extra energy either repairing their damaged shells or thickening them to survive. Using energy for this can at times impact the animal's ability to grow and reproduce. The animals that are able to survive will likely grow smaller than in less acidic waters, which can affect the food chain that relies on them. The threat in this instance is marine life that needs coral reefs to survive. The place vulnerable is the Caribbean. In terms of environmental change, the ocean population can decrease due to animals not being able to acquire sufficient food, as the population of animals who require coral reefs to survive has been decreasing. The impact on communities is that coral reefs generate a ton of the Earth's oxygen, and we are only continuing to lose them. In order to preserve coral reefs, we need to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide we are using in our atmosphere by perhaps switching over to more of an electric-generated society instead of burning so much fossil fuels.